Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to create a motion title. Let's begin. Let's start. Click this button to hide that track from the program monitor. When creating a title, switch Display, Non-Display as necessary. Click this button on the program monitor. From there, check Snap Graphics. Then, when moving figures and titles in the program monitor, auxiliary functions are added in this way and they are displayed with red dotted lines. Try enabling Snap if you want. Let's actually create it. First, let's make a cushion that will be the background of the title. The background of a text is sometimes called a cushion, so be sure to hold it down. Press and hold the Pen tool. Select the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle. Since it looks good when placed in the center, let's use the Snap function to place it in the center. Hit the keyframe so that the opacity changes from 0% to 30%. I have a background. Next, add a red line as an emphasis. First, let's create a rectangle. If you uncheck Uniform Scale in the Transformation item, the Scale item disappears, and you can change the vertical ratio and horizontal ratio. Hit the keyframe so that the horizontal ratio changes from 0 to 100. It becomes like this. The position of the anchor point is the starting point of the movement, so be sure to adjust it accordingly. Enter the character at the end. As before, uncheck Uniform Scale. Hit the keyframe so that the vertical ratio is 0 to 100. It will be displayed like this when played back. Keyframes can be moved by dragging, so fine-tuning the timing will improve quality. You have now created a motion title. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.